A welcome email sequence is a set of emails sent to subscribers when they first opt into a list. It's important because in many cases it determines whether a subscriber will bother to open your future emails. Over the years, I've designed many different types of welcome series, and I've learned one important thing. You have to start from the why you ask people to sign up, and why your subscribers agreed to receive your particular emails. When someone opts into an email list, it can matter as much or more than a sale. Your welcome series has enormous potential, but it can be hard to write if you don't know your goals or the next steps you want subscribers to take. One of the most common mistakes marketers make at this stage is deciding on the number of emails before defining the message. There's no perfect number for a welcome series. The best that anyone can tell you is to send enough, but not too many. Start with this. When someone is new to your lists, or one of your lists, what is it that they need to know? If you sell a product or service, you might want them to know how your product or service works, how you're different from the competition, why people love your stuff, and that you're grateful for their patronage. Many retailers include an incentive to buy in the welcome emails, even small discounts or free shipping for the first purchase. And conversion rates show that this strategy works. If you're a nonprofit, you might want them to know your history and mission, stories of the impact you've made, exclusive perks for donors, calendars of activities and events. This type of welcome series is going to look different because your end goal may be to get donations. This type of series is about building a relationship and showing them the opportunity that their donations will create. But what if you want more engagement with this subscriber after the welcome series? Maybe you want them to sign up for a course, for example, and if engagement is your goal, they need to know who you are and what you do, what your experience is and how you got it, what value you deliver, that's your brand story, why they would want to work with or follow you, how and where they can engage with you. This welcome series is going to look even more different than that of the retailer. This type of welcome series is about building trust and making a connection. Here is a step-by-step guide to creating a welcome series. First, you want to decide the key messages for new subscribers. Then you can decide how often you'll send an email in the series. You want to create, set up, and test the emails. And then you're going to step back and analyze the results. You want to wait until you have a comfortable amount of data before making any changes to your welcome series. I can't tell you how much this is because it really does depend on the size of your list and how often the welcome emails are sent. It comes down to a judgment call, and here's where your business knowledge is very, very helpful. In the exercise files, you'll find an 8-point framework for the perfect welcome email to help you get started.